Hi everybody, my name is Emanuela Ranieri. I'm a board member of Think Rights and the founder of The Right Business. Think Rights is an organization that helps spreading the knowledge around human rights, and The Right Business is a consultancy that helps companies respect human rights. I'm here today to present to you the series of courses that Think Rights is running on Canopy Lab, which is Companies' Impacts on Human Rights. The way we decided to approach this topic is by focusing on 4 issues: land rights, labor rights, environmental rights, and security-related rights. Why is business and human rights a relevant topic? Well, because business operations have an impact in our life. Think about creating jobs. This is a very positive impact, as well as developing infrastructures. But the impact can also be negative, like abusive working conditions or water pollution. So through these courses, we hope to share knowledge about the impact that companies have on human rights. And why should you care about this topic? Well, because you want to be a well-prepared leader for tomorrow's companies and governments. And by knowing why it's important to live in equal society and what's the role of your business in it. This series of courses is not built for experts on human rights. It is built for people that want or have to deal with those topics. Perhaps because your company is looking into adverse human rights impacts in the environment or in the societies around its business operations. The peculiarity about those courses is that we run them through examples. Let me explain you. We take land rights in the Solomon Islands and how the palm oil sector impacts on them. We take labor rights in Bangladesh and how the apparel sector impacts on them. Then we take the agribusiness and its impact in human rights in Mexico. Or, for example, for security-related rights, we take you to Angola and the impact that the extractive sector has on human rights there. Let me give you some examples of the topics that you will find in the courses. In the land courses, you will find land acquisition and how this should be conducted by companies in order not to adversely impact on the land tenure security of local communities, including indigenous people, for example. In the environmental right course, we're going to discuss about water and air pollution, impact on biodiversity and on water scarcity, and what impact this has on local communities and their livelihoods. In the labor rights courses, we're going to discuss about child labor, forced labor, living wages, discrimination at the workplace for vulnerable groups such as women and migrants, for example. Finally, in the security-related course, we're going to talk about the violence against local communities when protecting business operations by police or by private security forces. We're also going to discuss when business operations are in a context of conflict. Please join us in this terrific learning experience about business and human rights.